So when you are in your Zoom, you want to look at your settings. Turn me off for a minute. Go down here where it says right on the side of the camera. You can go to the video settings there with these little arrows. Some people call them carrots. So once you click on that, make sure you're selected your video. Look, when I click that, it goes to video. Then you want to come down to where it says HD, high definition. And then you can also click on touch up my appearance. If you check mark that, it kind of adjusts it, and you can kind of move this up and down too. But right now it's on auto, and I clicked on it. Adjust for low light, you can leave it on manual, or you can click it on auto, and then it try to fix itself. As you can see, my auto doesn't work well, so I have to do it manually. And I turn this all the way up as far as it can go. And then if you are doing background effects, you want to click there, and then you select from your list. I have quite a few of them in here myself, so I can just scroll down and take a look. You can also add them in. And video filters, if you want to do the silly stuff, you can do that too, which is kind of like on the phone. And avatars, you can select your avatar, and then it kind of look like you are talking through an animal, which is pretty crazy. Then you can also create your own avatars as well. So I click here, I can load something in, and I can go from there. Okay, so we want to change. Okay, let's scroll all the way back to the beginning. Let's see here. That is definitely not me. Let's see if we can do any other changes here. I don't know how that got to be that. So we're going to come out of here. We don't want none of this. Yep, we're just going to exit out of there. And I guess you just click your own one that you want to create, whatever. But for the most part, I'd be closed on. Okay, pretty cool. So now, just going to go out of there and we're done.